Hello, this is Fiona again from BORY Outline. Today, I'm going to show you the hot-selling emergency light for the cars and other emergency use. We have two versions. One is round, the other is square. And this is the alkaline battery, and this is the rechargeable lithium battery. It can be replaced for the triangle version, and now it's popular in Europe, and also we have American customers ask for it because this is super bright and super convenient. And here I'm going to show you how to. This is round one. We have one battery inside. And there is a button here. This is very bright, the flash. You can, the emission is 1 kilometer. And this can be light up for 3 hours constantly. And also we have the white version as the normal work light, auxiliary light. And the other one is a rechargeable version, and we have this for the recharge, and flash is crystal lens, and also we have the white light. Okay, these two, and this can be you can charge for 1 hour and then use 3 hours. This we can use both of these. There is also the magnet here, and then you can put it on the top of the vehicles or the side or the doors of the vehicles, and this can be the water protector is IP54, and let's see, this is 2 years warranty. Okay. If you have any inquiries, please send us email. See you next time. Bye.